Hello everyone, we are here today working on this beautiful Porsche. We're gonna do Ultimate Ceramic IR window film. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna do all the process for this window. Okay, the first step, we have to protect the door panel for, nothing get damaged, with the water or whatever you put on it. As you can see, this window, it's frameless. The process is gonna be more easy to do it, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a little different. And windows like that, the process is faster. And the next step is gonna be molding or shrinking. So now we're gonna have to mold in all this material. We put in a heat gun on it. And basically what we're doing, we're molding the tint into the window. So we're gonna start putting the heat on the top area all the way to the bottom. That's how we gotta mold it. That's how we mold it. When the tint is pretty flat, that means it's ready to go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the tint. We're gonna clean the window. And then we're gonna put the tint on the position for peel the backer. So now we're gonna have to clean the window one more time before you do the installation. After you clean the window, very nice and clean. We're gonna wet it again. Always start top to the bottom. And then I'm gonna have to start peeling the backer of the tint. Try to not touch the tint, okay? Because you don't wanna leave any fingerprints or you wanna get the tint dirty, nothing like that. So we're gonna have to peel the whole thing because like I said before, this window, it's a window frameless. So now we're gonna have to grab it. Always clean your hands real nice. And then we're gonna start to the front corner, all the way to the back. We're gonna push the window a little bit. And then you're gonna have to slide it in. And then we're gonna have to line the top edge. Remember guys, it has to be like a little gap on it. Very small gap. Because you don't wanna put it all the way to the edge of the glass. Because every time when you open this door and close it, the window goes up and down, up and down. So now we're gonna squish all the liquid, all the soap and water to the sizes. So now we're gonna clean the outside of the window. We're gonna clean all the water. So now we're gonna do one more time, a little bit harder this time. All right, and this window, it's ready to go.